Yo, women have all these sort of beauty hacks to look better throughout the day. I think men should have the same today, boys. I'm gonna show you 7 hacks you can implement any time of the day to look better. Let's hop into this. Number 1, rubbing a banana peel on your skin. So when you grab a banana peel, the inside, not the outside part, is filled with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can be healthy for your skin when it comes to reducing inflammation, removing free radicals, and even brightening the skin. So if you can't afford expensive skincare, starting with natural supplements like this can make your skin look better. 2, mixing fragrances. I actually got this trick from Tom Ford. There's a video you could probably watch, like 10 years old or like 6-year-old video, where he talks about some grooming hacks that he does. And one of the things that he does is stacking fragrances. Ever since then, I've done it, and I don't think I've ever given you guys this tip where you can literally grab 2 of your favorite fragrances. It could be Santa Lucia and Dior, Tom Ford and Killian. Grab fragrances that you like, and then you just mix, you stack, you apply one first, then the other. Now you start working like a perfume master, but where it makes you look better is that now you have a unique scent that I can guarantee you no one in that party or that get-together or in that room will have the exact same scent. Plus it's fun because, like I said, you get to mix and match. Now to do this properly, you don't want to go overboard with the fragrances. So like I said, if you use 2, you can use up to 3. You can go 1 or 2 sprays per fragrance, and then you just apply in different regions and then allow that fragrance to mix. Another alternative route is using our refillable travel cases from Santa Lucia we just dropped. The cool thing with this is that you can literally mix in the can. I've been doing this with my Santa Lucia where I'll grab like Azabache and Gala, I'll mix them together, and now I have a completely new scent. That's dope. That's what I want. I want you guys to have that unique scent so you're better than other dudes. You're gonna smell better because I guarantee you they don't have the same scent you do. So I'm gonna hook it up. If you guys go check out Santa Lucia, because you need good fragrances. You need to smell good. Our dark collection, I promise you, will probably smell better than anything you have. We use some of the best materials in the world, all sourced from France and Italy, to make sure you have a luxury niche level perfume without breaking the bank. So much so that you can buy them individually. They're kind of expensive, but if you buy the whole set today, I'm gonna give you 40% off, and I'm not stopping there. I'm also gonna give you 3 of our refillable Santa Lucia cases pre-filled with our previous white collection from Santa Lucia. So now you have a total of 6 fragrances for 40% off, plus 3, those 3, that's $150 value. I'm basically giving you like $300 in today's sale, which is only gonna last for the next 24 hours. And the cool part is, those cases, once you use up that fragrance, you can refill it with whatever fragrances you want. You can mix and match as you please, and now you have your own unique scent. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. It's not gonna last. Number 3, a good lotion is like a 5-in-1. Let me explain. You can hydrate your skin so it doesn't look ashy. You can moisturize your hair in the shower if you don't have conditioner, because again, all the lotion is a series of fats and vitamins and minerals to hydrate whatever you're applying it on. You can apply it to your beard to use as a beard cream to not only nourish the beard hair, but also allow you to shave better. See, the lotion's gonna moisturize the skin to allow the blade to glide and avoid nicks and cuts. It also works as frizz control for your hair once you step out the shower to avoid your hair getting frizzy. If you have no product, apply a little hair lotion, keeps the hair hydrated, avoids frizziness. It also works on your lips. What I'm trying to get on here is, you need a good body lotion. A high quality body lotion, don't cheapen out on it, and more importantly, make sure it's fragrance free so you can use it across the board on these 5 different aspects and look better. Number 4, wear thicker shoes. It's fall. You need to be wearing boots. You want to look taller than other men. So to do that, wear a good pair of shoes. And obviously, if you're already short, don't go for like the super chunky ones because it's obvious. But most shoes, quality shoes, can add anywhere from 1 to 2 inches to your height without it being super obvious. So next time you shop for shoes, look for the ones that give you the most height. Number 5, get your skin to look perfect with a salicylic mask. This is a game changer. Once you do this once, I promise you, you're hooked. I do this once a week, end of week, usually every Sunday, and I promise you, it's an immediate change. Like, as soon as you use it the first time, you're gonna see a difference to your skin. Now, the easy part is once you buy the mask, you apply it on, leave it for 10 minutes, go do whatever you have to do. Once you wash it off, the salicylic mask acts like a almost like a chemical peel where it's removing a topical layer of your skin. It's like an exfoliator. So basically, once you wash it off, what you're feeling is new skin, and it feels, you can see it, you can tell it looks soft and rejuvenated. Number 6, shape up the beard with a pen styler. Look, a lot of people say, oh my God, this is makeup, this is makeup. Sure, call it makeup, whatever. The point is, these pen stylers are great for guys that have patches. Look, you already know how powerful a beard is. If you want it to look good and balanced, you can use some of these to fill in holes. Now, obviously, if you don't have a beard whatsoever, using a pen styler will look ridiculous because it'll literally look like a painted on beard. However, if you already have a beard and you just need to reinforce it, these can make you look better. And ultimately, number 7, scrape your tongue with floss. What most of you don't understand is that bad breath that you have can kill your game. And it doesn't matter how attractive, how good looking, how well put together, you got bad breath, that girl ain't talking to you again. And most of your bad breath comes from your tongue. And most of you aren't brushing your tongue. I guarantee you skip that step. I know you're skipping it. So next time, grab some floss, and you can literally just scrape your tongue. All that white gunk, it has to go. I promise you, you do this every day, you'll have fresh breath.